If I could pick one word to describe this individual, it would be playful. Boys don't write this rounded, so it's definitely a woman. The D's, which are short and there's no loop in the stand, that has to do with her ability to not give a shit.
And then I came to the Oscars. I'm sorry, I did a shot before I...
A T-bar going right to left means self-deprecating.
I hate myself whenever I watch. Yeah, don't go see the movies, I'm a troll.
So the narrow Y equals trusting very few people, and she's incredibly selective with who she allows close to her in her inner circle.
I get asked about Amy more than anything.
Really?
Which is great, because endorphins get released in my brain when I talk about her.
So any oval shape that should be closed but's not closed, that is talkative. I would say more likely than not, she's talkative and always blunt.
You can't live your whole life behind your phone, bro.